Now, the high notes, the live wires, and finally, the steamrollers. Unleash our contestants!
Get ready, people. This dazzling arena has been reimagined by CNS to test our contestants to their limits.
I'm going in there!
The steamrollers are going flat out. They're opening Vault 1.
Special delivery!
Yikes! Team wipe for the high notes.
The high note jumped in a low note. They've been wiped out.
The high notes are back. The steamrollers haven't come out flat. They've started our first cash out.
This'll burn!
Team wiped. The live wires are rejoining the match.
Gas mine dropped! Gas mine armed!
It's my time.
Deploying a surprise!
Wiped out.
I'm not so sure that's music to their ears.
The high notes are back in play.
Vault 2.
This is exactly what the steamrollers needed. They've pocketed our first cash out. The steamrollers are pouring into Vault 2.
Teams need to get ready to shift their game plans because a surprise is coming their way. Gas mine fire! The gravity in our arena is being adjusted. Will our contestants be able to carry the burden of weightlessness?
An awkward moment for the steamrollers. Team wiped.
Down left. Wipe out.
Respawn alert! The steamrollers are back in action. reminder that our contestants will not experience any muscle atrophy or skeletal deterioration during the low-gravity event. It's all fun and games in the arena.
Drop the mine! Here's the barricade!
Mind the mine! I'm reloading!
The live wires will need to reboot. Team wiped.
We've reached the end of this game show event. Move to cash out, C.
After a momentary outage, the live wires have respawned. The steamrollers are initiating a cash out.
Setting a mine! Gas my frag grenade set! Throwing a frag!
An awkward moment for the live wires. Team wiped.
They've been short-circuited, Scotty.
Defend on C!
The live wires have respawned.
Deploying a surprise!
Arming a mine! Toxic trap set! Sending frag! Throwing a frag!
Looks like a team wipeout for the live wires.
That's what I call an alternating current.
Placing a cover!
Reloading.
An exhilarating match, but now our game is over. It's lights out in the arena just as the spotlight swings to our winners. From all of us here at the final, thanks for watching.